In today's video, I'll show you how to make a shortcut on Windows 11 laptop or PC. So at first, what you have to do is just be on your desktop, then just right click on it, then just go to personalize. After that, just scroll down a bit and you'll find an option called themes. Just go inside themes. Scroll down a bit and under related settings, you'll find desktop icons. Just click on it. You can close down the background thing. And from here, you can select Microsoft Computer, Control Panel, whatever you want, just tick and click on Apply, click on OK. If I uncheck my computer, this is going to remove this PC for my desktop, as you can see. And if I click again, it's going to bring back this PC again, as you can see right here. And basically, those are the basic icons. If you want to bring a folder, what you can do is just go to File Explorer, right click on it, click on Videos. From videos, if you want this video folder to be on the desktop, just drag and drop it. And as you can see, I have that folder over here. If you want any other folder, let's say for example, screen recording, just drag and drop it. It will be there. And basically that is it. And if you want some apps here, how to get the apps. So to get the apps, just click on Start, then just go to All. Then just find the app that you want to be at your desktop. For example, let's say this OBS Studio I want on my desktop. I'll just left click it, drag and drop on desktop. And there you go. And basically that is how to make desktop shortcuts on Windows 11 laptop or PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.